Well, finally some colder air starting to arrive in West Michigan tomorrow, and that means we're going to finally see some winter weather rather than this drizzly stuff. 13 weather ball tonight is blinking bright. We'll see the rain and drizzly stuff change to snow overnight. It'll be slushy snow though, and it's also blue, cooler weather in view for your Thursday. This view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We forecast to 40 today. So far, we're at our current high of 39 degrees. That's 3 days in a row now with your 3-degree guarantee. Hopefully extend that tomorrow. Speaking of tomorrow, tonight's snow going to be pretty much done. It'll still be going on for your morning commute, but it'll be just wet and slushy roads. Temperatures right around freezing, but the salt, any salt that's put down, will be able to work just fine. And we'll see mainly cloudy skies the rest of the day as the winds will pick up out of the west and northwest to about 8 to 16 miles an hour. But tonight, the main concern is the mixture of rain that will change to snow. It's been snow mostly up north. It will change to snow this evening, later on this evening. No worries if you're headed out and about. The real impacts will be northern lower Michigan back here into Wisconsin. Not anticipating any advisories being issued around here. Low pressure system right over Grand Rapids now. The winds are very light, but look at the winds. They turn around to the north and northwest very quickly. It's going to get breezy at the lakeshore this evening, and as the rain changes over to snow or stays snow, it's going to be blowing that around just a little bit. Right now, mostly rain here in Grand Rapids, but it's been mostly snow, slushy snow along US 10 and a little bit south down to about M20. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, it's been mostly rain when it has been raining. It's kind of picked up this afternoon after being dry, all the way from I-96 and Muskegon all the way over toward Lansing. Further south, it's been kind of dry most of the day down around Kalamazoo and Battle Creek. Most of the rain has been from M40 and M89 northward here this afternoon and this evening, but you'll see your snow later on. Here's the dividing line at 7 o'clock. Green is rain, blue is snow. That's going to be still overhead at 11, and it will gradually transition over to snow. We'll have the heaviest snow between about 11 p.m. and about 5 a.m., and then a little bit of light snow over southwest lower Michigan in the morning, but by noon it's over in most areas. Just a cloudy gray day, but the difference is temperatures will only be in the low and mid 30s, unlike the mid 40s down along the I-94 corridor. Now tomorrow night, the cold air just gradually filters in, and so we start to see some lake effect snow showers develop, and that will continue in many areas during the day on Friday, but I'm not looking for a huge event. In the meantime, as that system comes through tonight, this is where the snow has already fallen today, and this is how much snow we're expecting over the next 24 hours, mainly an inch in many of the inland locations, maybe 3 inches or more over central and northern lower Michigan. Then after that, the lake effect snow kicks in, and I'm looking for a generous 3 inches from Grand Rapids northward all throughout those 3 days. So it's not really like mid-December. Well, the really cold air is going to be just to our north and east. The 8 to 14 day outlook says we'll see average temperatures for the first about 6 days of February. Highs in the low 30s. In terms of precipitation, above average, so it may be a little bit wet during that start to February, but mainly probably rain. Lake effect snow showers in the morning, mainly from Holland, South Haven southward, highs in the mid 30s up north. You can expect mainly cloudy skies, around 33 for a high, and from Grand Rapids southward, mainly cloudy. There'll be a little bit of light snow just south of Grand Rapids early in the day with highs in the mid 30s, 36 here in Grand Rapids with that northwest to west breeze. Sun coming up at 8:02. Below freezing temperatures over the weekend with that lake effect snow, so it will accumulate, just not a ton. And on Monday, we'll see dry weather move in. 13 on target forecast. Maybe a couple of flurries Tuesdays. We hit 36, but then mid-20s to around 30 as we head into February, Wednesday through Saturday.